Let me ask you a question. What does strength mean to you?
Everybody wants to be strong physically, emotionally.
Financially.
You may try to be strong. You may work hard every day, at school, at work, or even at home. But there is a time,
You feel emptiness in your heart.
and you ask yourself,
What is this for?
one championship athletes train every day to be strong. Are they working hard for themselves? No. They are working hard for their loved ones, to inspire others, to give hope to others.
What about you? I don't know what keeps you going.
Because everybody's situation is different. But always remember, true strength comes with compassion. Japanese vocabulary time. 思いやり思いやりじゃあまた